Now we're going to make a caffe latte. A caffe latte is a double shot of espresso, topped with steamed milk and a thin layer of foam. We're going to fill our jug about halfway with fresh, cold milk. Then we're going to move the adjuster up to flat. We want to immerse the nozzle into the milk and steam the milk to a nice glossy texture. Steam is delivered almost immediately. There's no waiting for the circuit to heat up. You can see the really smooth texture of the milk developing. It's important to clean the nozzle after each use. I'm now going to bang the jug to remove any larger bubbles and mix it to create a nice round glossy texture. I will always canvas the coffee first to balance the temperature of the espresso. Next, I fill the cup with a long stream of milk, mixing the espresso and keeping it enough foam in the jug for the latte art. And there we have a perfect caffe latte. Delicious.